Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix ERR underscore connection underscore timed out. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to disable your proxy or VPN. How we can do that? Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Once you have opened the settings, please proceed here at the left side, find for network and internet, and please select for proxy next to airplane mode. So here you can find automatic proxy setup. Please enable it or turn it on. Once done, you can find manual proxy setup. Please turn it off or disable such. So if you have any proxy server here that is being set up manually, please disable that. Once you're done, please proceed to the next solution. So our next solution would be you need to clear your browser's cached and cookies. How we can do that? Please select for Google Chrome, make a right click, and then you need to click on open to enter or to open the browser. Once done, please expand it. And then you need to navigate to the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Click on it. Scroll down, find for settings, which has this gear icon. And then I want you to navigate to the left pane. There you can find the privacy and security. Please proceed to privacy and security section and then there you can see delete browsing data. So please check all of this and then click for delete data. In that way, you'd be able to clear or delete your browser's cached and cookies. Once done, check if the error has been fixed. And if not, then we need to flush your DNS cached. How we can do that? Navigate to the button search bar, type for CMD. Once you have typed it, you can find their command prompt system. Please navigate here at this right side and wait until you can see an option which is run as administrator. So please click on it. And the moment you have opened the command prompt as administrator, I want you to type for ipconfig space forward slash flushdns. Then click on the enter key. And then this time you need to type for ipconfig space forward slash release. Click on the enter key. And then this time I want you to type the last command, which is ipconfig space forward slash renew. Click on the enter key again. And then once you are done with all of such, I want you to navigate to your start and then restart your computer. So once you have restarted your computer, check if the error has been resolved, okay? Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.